Hello, good evening. This is Fojil. Today I am going to present a case from Human Resource Management. The title of the case is Improving Performance at the Hotel Paris. Let me start by saying a few words about the case. This case is about Hotel Paris. The Hotel Paris competitive strategy is to use superior guest service to differentiate the Hotel Paris properties and thereby increase the length to stay and return rate of guests and thus boost the revenue and profitability. Lisa is a HR manager who formulated the functional policies and activities that support this competitive strategy by electing the required employee behaviors and competencies. Now this case has some questions. The first question is, Lisa knew little about setting up a new compensation plan. Based on what you learned in human resource management, what would you tell her if she asked, how do I set up a new compensation plan for the Hotel Paris? Well, let me answer the question. Setting up a new compensation plan, Lisa should think about taking some action to create a new pay plan for the Hotel Paris that is consistent with the firm's competitive strategy. Now, what are the actions she might take? Determine a strategic goal, conduct a review of compensation, develop a compensation philosophy, carry out market research, job evaluation and grading, established compensation structure, connect pay to performance, employee communication, monitor and adjust. These techniques may be used by Lisa Cruz to develop a pay plan that enhances staff morale, engagement and performance while also supporting the strategic goals of the Hotel Paris. This will help the business succeed in providing first-rate customer service. The second question is, would you suggest that Hotel Paris implement a competency-based pay plan for its non-managerial staff? Why or why not? Outline what they need to do for one. Well, the answer will be, for non-managerial personnel at Hotel Paris, implementing a competency-based compensation plan can be a useful strategy for coordinating employee behavior with the strategic goal of the organization. Here is an explanation of why it would be a smart concept and what they must do to put into practice. So I'm telling some benefits to using a competency-based pay plan. First, alignment with a strategy, supporting employee skill development, rewarding and recognizing competency, differentiation. Now you need to know a competency-based pay plan implementation process. First, establish core competencies, assessment and measurement, competency framework, salary structure based on competencies, training and development, regular review, communication, continuous improvement. Communicated approach is necessary for the implementation of the competency-based compensation plan. Last and final question. The last question is, diverse a ranking job evaluation system for the Hotel Paris non-managerial employees, housekeeper, front desk clerk, phone operators, wait staff, groundskeeper and security guard, and use it to show the worth of these jobs relative to one another. You may use the point factor techniques, which is a typical way of assessing and ranking occupation based on certain criteria to create a ranking job assessment system for the Hotel Paris non-managerial staff. To illustrate how you might assess and rank various non-managerial jobs, there are some steps. Step 1. Identify key job factor. Define various level of degree of each component. Different level of each component should be represented by this level. Step 2. Define factors level. Define various level of degree for each component. Different level of each component should be represented by this level. Step 3. Assign point values. Give some points to each level and each element depending on how significant you think each level is. You can give it points. Step 4. Evaluate jobs. Assign point by how each non-managerial role performs against each elements and level to determine the overall work score and these scores for each factor. Step 5. Rank job. All non-managerial roles can be ranked according to their overall job score once you have given much on a point total. According to your organization, the job with the highest rating are the most useful of worthwhile, while those with lower scores are less so. With the help of this method, you may order the non-managerial jobs, the Hotel Paris, according to how valuable they are to the company. This may be used to assist in guiding choice and pay and other HR procedure. Thank you.